audio. Right there, number 2, right there. Number 2, 2510. Me and my secret weapon right there. Right there. Bulldozer 2510. Aloha, number 2 there. Alright, aloha. And yep, I'm back reading this mail.
You reading, Bulldozer? What you reading on?
Shoot up and made all that. What you reading on? Look at the pictures. Hey,
750, checking back in.
onion chip right there.
Don't forget the guacamole. Get it straight. The guacamole with the Maui onion chips. What kind of pictures you looking at?
Hey, 28750, we want to check back in. Hello, 28750, checking back in.
Bulldozer looking at fire truck pictures. Alright there, 28. A whole lot of Maui onion chip, a bit of guacamole, and just make sure there's no man mayo right there.
Oh, damn, watch out, 750. I hear him getting up in there. Watch out for 750, Dozer. He right there, right now.
Alrighty.
Right there, right now, just checking back in. Hello, 28750, we're checking back in.
Got down.
Check, 750. I hear you checking in. He said 28, I'm checking in. 750 with the check-in. Come on.
That's what I said, I'm going again.
You check it in twice? Hello, 28 with a great big onion chip. Look at that, 28. Me and my long-winded over just got down.
Can he check in twice? I left him on the ball. Can he check in?
I heard someone from Honolulu calling. I don't know, 28's going to leave me slobbering on this Mickey Picky there. Hello, 28, cruising my great big little lots right there.
Oh, yeah, I don't want to We'll see what you done, Dick. Come on.
I was just in the other room there, 28. I heard you call my name. Hello, 28750. I hear you calling 28750. Look at this little station on the other side of the world.
Real rough that time around, man. It's pretty rough and tough that time around. 750, I hear you in there, but it's rough and tough that time around. Bulldozer, 750, 28 said, come on.
Yeah, come on, 28. I heard 456 as well. I'll say good day to 456 once again. Hello, 28. I hear you too, and I hear 456. 28, this little station on the other side of the world. Back out.
Still action going on right about now.
Take care, 28750. Back out.
Got down right there. Bulldozer. 28 gonna get on the side. I think my neighbors are getting mad. Bulldozer. 750. 28 with a wave. I'll see ya.
Hey, 28.
Check on that, 28. Don't worry about the neighbours, man. Just keep it going, 28. Got a good thing going on. Don't worry about the neighbours there, 28750. I'll let you know. You're sounding loud on this end. 28750. Go on.
I think I'm 28. Don't leave him alone. Don't leave him alone. 28.
Onion chip right there.
Now 750. Who else? Someone else call it 28. Come on.
I think I had a 2545 out there. If that's a 2545, I wave good day to you as well. I think it was a 2545 750. Going to wave at you now. Take care. I think it was a 2545 750. Waving good day now.
Yay. 28 says aloha.
28, you're messing up my television. Hey, 28, turn that thing.
Hello, 28. You're too loud. 750. Want to let you know.
750, 45 Honolulu, 750.